Hello, everyone. Welcome back to StartSpeak English, the podcast that helps you speak English with confidence in real life. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mike. Hi, everyone. It's so great to have you here with us today.
Anna, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thank you. A little tired, but good. How about you, Anna?
I'm doing really well. Thank you for asking. I love days when we get to help our listeners learn something really useful.
Me too. And today we have a very, very useful topic. Anna, do you want to tell everyone what we are talking about today?
Yes. Today we are going to learn English vocabulary for visiting a doctor's office. This is one of the most important things you need to know when you live in or visit an English-speaking country.
That's right. Going to the doctor can be a little scary, especially in a new language, but don't worry. After today's episode, you will know exactly what to say and how to understand what the doctor says to you.
So whether you are a beginner or an intermediate learner, this episode is perfect for you.
Before we start, we want to say, if you enjoy this podcast and want to keep improving your English, please subscribe to StartSpeak English wherever you listen to podcasts. It's free and it really helps us continue making great content for you.
Yes, hit that subscribe button right now. Don't wait. And now let's get started.
Here is a quick tip for you before we begin. Listen carefully, repeat the words out loud, and don't be afraid to pause and practice. The more you say a word, the easier it becomes.
Great advice, Mike. Okay, listeners, grab your notebook if you have one. Let's go.